Hi Faves! What's up? This is Marco Massa as Zion Licaro at ito ang You're My Favorite Song Exclusives. Nakakasad. Nakakasad, honestly. Kasi wala eh. Parang alam mo pagka sa bawat linggo, nilulook forward ko yung taping ng You're My Favorite Song. And it's sad na parang hindi na namin maitutuloy yun. Hindi na kami makakapag-enjoy together with this setup. But at the same time, happy because everything happened. Because every relationship was, kumbaga, cherished. And siguro, wala, parang naiyak na ako. Joke lang. Hindi, pero parang dito kasi we are valued, kaming mga artist. Sa production na to, sa family, sa You're My Favorite Song family, we are valued, we are seen, and we get to share a piece of ourselves sa kung ano yung work na kailangan namin gawin.
Ako po na lulungkot din po talaga ako kasi ang bilis nung 2 months. Para sa akin, para siyang 2 weeks. Yung pakiramdam, nakakalungkot kasi mamimiss ko talaga yung Brighton Bay na mga moments namin, yung Grand Vista moments namin, sila Derek. Ang saya-saya po kasi sa set, sobrang light lang po at matagal ko rin nga po talagang pinapangarap yung ganitong series.
Ako po nalulungkot ako, personally, na malapit na matapos yung show. Dahil, ayun nga, matagal ko nang gusto to yung kasama yung mga friends sa isang show. And, yun, since that came through, I'm so happy. Pero, knowing that it will end soon makes me so sad as well. Kasi, hindi na kami magkakasama sa set every time. Everyone's gonna have their own different show. We're gonna be in different sets, different schedules, different time. And it's gonna be hard then to schedule parang hangouts with people na dahil iba-iba na kami ng show. Kakaiba rin yung time ng taping. So, nakakalungkot po.
For me talaga, as in, super sad. I really feel sad na last taping days na lang namin. Para sa akin, parang hindi pa siya nagsisink in eh. Parang siyang routine na para sa akin na every week magkikita-kita kami, magta-taping kami sa You're My Favorite Song. Kasi, as in, sobrang bilis ng oras talaga. Parang sinasabi namin na kung kailan patapos na, parang naalala namin na kahapon, nagsabi pa lang kami na abangan niyo yung You're My Favorite Song, yung pilot ng You're My Favorite Song. Parang it all just flew by so fast. So, for me, it really feels sad. Parang kailangan kong mag-adjust ulit na wala nang taping and hindi na kami magkikita-kita. Pero, ayun, sinasabi ko lagi na I believe our friendship naman, we're gonna bring this outside of the show na kahit nagtapos na yung You're My Favorite Song, it will still stay with all of us. Yung friendship namin, it will forever stay with all of us. And this show in particular will stay with all of us. So, syempre, we'll hope for the best na sana may You're My Favorite Song Season 2. Ayan guys, if you want to see Season 2, mag-like kayo, comment kayo ng lahat ng mga videos, lahat ng mga photos, yung You're My Favorite Song Instagram account, i-follow nyo lahat yan kasi malay natin sa konting gesture na yan guys, makakabuo tayo ng You're My Favorite Song Season 2. So, please, kahit tapos na yung You're My Favorite Song, sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung suporta nyo para magkita-kita tayo ulit.
Actually, nalulungkot talaga ako. Kasi nung una, hindi ko din talaga in-expect na makakasama ko sa YMFest. Tapos akala ko yung character ko doon parang passing lang, ganun. Pero, oh my gosh, sobrang solid ng cast, ng staffs, parang pamilya talaga. Kapag pupunta ka sa set, parang hindi ka yung tatama rin na, magte-taping na naman. Parang matutuwa ka na, ay, may work kami ngayon kasi magkikita-kita ulit kayo. Tas magaan lang. Hindi ko alam kung dahil magkaka-close na din kami before, magkakaedad kami, pero iba yung gaan sa set na to. So, syempre, malulungkot ako.
Nalulungkot ako nung napatapos na siya. And nalulungkot ako na yung bond natin as a whole cast is parang eto na yun. And we don't really know if we're gonna be working with each other again. And as in, sobrang mamimiss ko lang. Pero I'm also happy na I got to experience this story, this directors, yung crew mismo. As in, parang na-excite ako to go to work. Kasi alam kong sila yung mga kasama ko. So, mamamiss ko siya.
Siyempre sad na, siyempre super nakakalungkot na parang matatapos na agad yung YMFS. How I wish it could have been prolonged. Tas dumami pa yung mga eksena. But what makes it parang nakakatawa, if you just look back sa memories, look back sa bawat eksena na tinake mo, bawat moments behind the camera, bawat location where you guys stayed, bawat usap mo sa production with your fellow co-actors, is super sweet and parang super accomplishing, especially for me. Parang sa show na to, dito parang dito ko napakita yung talent ko when it comes to my craft sa acting. Kasi I really maano ko sa acting ko. I really take it seriously. Kaya kung ano mang role ibigay sa akin, like tinotodo ko na, ginagalingan ko talaga, whether big or small role, I make sure I leave a mark sa production, sa buong team, para maalala ni Direk, maalala niya yung work ko. At syempre sa mga viewers, sa mga faves. Kaya thank you talaga sa YMFS kasi without this opportunity, kung hindi ako nasama dito sa cast na to, I feel like hindi makikita yung potential ko sa pag-acting. And that's one of my dreams talaga, na mapakita yung talent ko sa acting kasi I really love acting so much.
Malungkot. But at the same time, masaya. Masaya. Na naging part. Parang, bittersweet feeling siya. Kasi, it's a bittersweet feeling. Kasi malungkot ako kasi patapos na siya. At the same time, I'm very happy and very lucky na naging part ako nito. So, yeah, bittersweet feeling.
Okay. Wow, serious mode. Patapos na ang YMFS. Whew! At first, of course, I feel very grateful. Kasi all good things must come to an end. So, very grateful ako na I was a part of the show. Tapos very grateful ako na meron akong nahanap na family dito. And very, very comfortable kami with each other. So, and right now I feel parang melancholic. Kasi, ayun nga, kasi it's a mix of different feelings. May lungkot, may grief, may excitement, may longing, of course, and may fulfillment. Kasi I feel very fulfilled na natapos yung show and maganda yung result. And very happy din ako sa naging produkto ng lahat-lahat. May relationship with them, yung mga nakilala kong mga tao, and yung mga experiences na naranasan ko, and the lessons I've learned.
It's gonna be sad talaga. When I had my first public affairs show, I was also sad when it ended, because it was just fun. It was a super fun experience, and this is even more fun experience. So I'm just gonna have the feeling of it not being there anymore, which is gonna make me feel dull and empty inside. But that's too tragic naman. But I'm just gonna miss everything. Being able to go to these random places and having so much fun with my friends, being able to tape like that. With such a nice story. Yes po, yun po.